Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that has been on many people's minds: how to delete all posts on Facebook. So, make sure you stick around until the end to avoid any confusion. Let's jump right into it. First, open up your Facebook app and head on over to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Next, click on the three dots icon and select Log Activity. From there, navigate to the Manage Your Post Settings option. If you want to delete all of your Facebook posts at once, simply check off all of the boxes and hit the trash icon to move everything to the trash box. Once you're ready, click Move to Trash, and voila! All of your Facebook posts have been deleted. But wait, there's more. If you want to restore your Facebook posts, just head back to the Manage Post Settings section, click on the trash icon, and select all of the boxes. Then, hit Restore to Profile, and your Facebook posts will magically reappear. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks.